To create an employee using Bindbee's right APIs, ensure that a connector for the integration has already been established. For this demonstration, we will use BambooHR. A connector has already been created. This is the BambooHR connector, which is currently in the syncing stage. However, some data has already been synced. For this process, two forms of authentication are required: the bearer token, which is the API key, and the connector token. The connector token can be obtained from here, but for the API key, we need to go to the settings section. Here, the API key can be regenerated, copied, and saved for future use. With this information, proceed to the Bindbee documentation and go to the Create Employee section. Now, add the bearer token that was just created and add the connector token copied from the connector page. With this set, copy the request and paste it into an appropriate request tool. For this demonstration, we will use Postman. After creating the request and adding the bearer token and X connector token, the payload can be adjusted as needed. For instance, the employee number can be set to 270, and the email ID can be changed. The home location or work location fields can be removed if not required. The SSN can also be altered. Once the payload is satisfactory, click on Send. If the employee is successfully created, you will receive confirmation. If errors occur, the success message will be false. Now go to the BambooHR dashboard to find the employee so created. This is the employee that was just created. This is how you can create an employee using Bindbee's right APIs.